Things Microsoft Dynamics 365 can improve in your business. Delivering exceptional and more distinctive customer experiences is essential for developing lasting relationships and keeping a strong reputation. Professional service firms, during critical decision-making phases, need to embrace new levels of openness and create an environment where it is simple for employees to view all customer interactions and understand internal resource availability. The path to business success can be made simple with the help of different tools or software programs. Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is one such well-known software program. It serves as a platform for supporting and optimizing your business connections, and it helps you drive business growth and success by combining all of your business needs in the cloud. Here are some of the ways this software improves your business. First, improved customer organization relationships. Any business that wants to succeed needs to have good relationships with its customers. This is exactly where the Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM comes into action. The customer service teams can communicate with customers and respond to their inquiries with the help of this solution. Second, pay close attention to marketing strategies. One of Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM's biggest features is the marketing app. Based on the analysis and results, you can use this to track the effectiveness of the marketing campaigns. The teams can then enhance the quality of the campaigns. Third, smarter sales process. Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM gives valuable data that includes prospect profiles from social media. Through Dynamics 365, you can learn about your potential customers, their preferences, and how they interact with your goods and services. Fourth, helps businesses with effective time management. Your team will spend more time on tasks that are important and intended to be completed on time if your business uses Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. Fifth, reducing infrastructure overhead. With a cloud-based CRM like Dynamics 365, your customers can plan their IT spending more predictably. By employing cloud-based services, downtime caused by patching and other upgrades is reduced. Sixth, improving business integration. Many different, highly effective tools are connected on one platform using Dynamics 365. Everything your customers use, including Excel, Dynamics, and Power BI, communicates with one another without any issues. Seventh, streamlining personnel management. Dynamics 365 helps your customers unify all their different ERP operations on a single platform. Hiring, onboarding, performance management, compensation, and benefits can all be managed on a single dashboard. This brings us to the end of this video. We saw in this video how Microsoft Dynamics 365 can empower your team by increasing productivity to meet client deadlines and within budget. Thus, getting started with Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM will improve your sales or business over the long run. Thanks for watching.